Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow Instagram comments only from people that you are following or accounts you are following. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Instagram and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you have your account open, you want to select your three-line icon up at the top right. Looks like a hamburger. Go ahead and select that. And then scroll down underneath where it says how others can interact with you and select comments. Where it says who can comment, you have options for both posts and reels as well as stories. So if you selected the posts and reels, you can select only people you follow, and that's pretty much it. You can select your followers or other options such as people you follow and your followers or everyone. Few different options to select from there, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.